Well, the new seal is in. On the other side, it's in. Axle's pushed in. There's the new seal right there, nice and tight. You know, when you're doing this, sorry, I got a cold. when you're doing this, all the videos are correct. You gotta keep this part of as you're pushing it in. You gotta keep the pressure going straight. You know, you just don't want to slide it in. You want to lift up on the front here and slide it in, and then finally you have to lift up on it again when you get close, when it goes into the differential there, where the spider gears are, and then finally it'll go in. Other than that, this has been a pretty easy job. You know, I changed the emergency brakes, I've changed the rear axle seals. As far as the gearing inside here, I didn't move anything there, with the exception of that bolt that holds that axle pin in. It broke off like it commonly does, and I bought the kit off of Amazon. It's well, this one cost me $40. The differential pinion shaft lock bolt extractor kit. Okay, so I'm really glad I'm making this video, because this, you don't really see these on there. You do, but here's the number, there's what it's called. It comes with the bit, it comes with that thing with the hole in it so that the bit slides in. It's so far it's been a pretty easy job, other than that waiting on that bolt. I've got new, the original brakes are still okay. You can see that it slid in fine. It sounds pretty good. Well, it will sound good once I get it connected in the differential. But anyway, this is the 2008 F150 XL. So I've got the V6 4.2 liter. And when you're getting this jacked up, keep in mind, you know, especially on the back end, you're gonna have to chock the wheels, because you're not gonna have emergency brake. You're not gonna have, because the emergency brakes are not on the front. You're not gonna have anything. So I've got two good jack stands. I still have my jack helping hold everything up. Oh, and when you're doing these also, sorry not to get off track, you want to put some oil up inside the axle, because that thing fills up with oil once you finally fill up the reservoir, which is right there. It's on the back side. Other than that, it's been a pretty easy job. I've got a little bit of knowledge on working on vehicles, but I have never done this before. And I did watch a bunch of videos, and it really helped out. So I'm kind of hoping that maybe this might help some of you guys. You feel free to shoot me a message if there's anything I can help with, because I found some easy ways to do these brakes in the last video. I didn't show that process because I wasn't filming that, but you don't have to have any clamps or anything like that. These, you can figure it out. It's really not that big of a deal. All right, thanks guys, see ya.